Teppanyaki. We're out here on the new deck, and eventually we'll have some shades to help block the sun. Gramps, good to see you. Favorite daughter. It's the day before Mother's Day. We're gonna do griddle teppanyaki. Gotta get the rest of the food out here. We're just waiting on a few more people to show up. Got the veggies.
Jesse, do you like the menu?
It's a happy crowd. You got a dance for us?
That's it, right?
Red rice.
You still have the flat room.
Yeah, but
I know it's so How many times we do things that in the beach? He was so happy to get the beach because he said they don't usually give the newbies the beach. They got the beach. She said, "You seem real mature. I'm going to give you the beach." I'm surprised they do. That's probably going to be fun.
So, what'd you think, Alex? What was your favorite?
The vegetables were my favorite.
Zucchini, mushroom, onion.
Mine was a toss-up between the chicken and the vegetables.
Okay.
the rice was spot on this time.
I was telling them, sometimes you get it right with the rice. It's hard.
The rice and the scallops, my favorite.
Wow, everybody's got a different thing.
I liked the vegetables.
Vegetables.
The rice and the vegetables.
Yeah, and was your mojo sauce the key?
Always.
Yum yum. What'd you like? You always say that. How about you, Danny?
The vegetables.
The vegetables. Josh? Huh?
The rice.
The rice?
I also like the rice.
The rice?
I just like being here.
You just like...
People.
Can you close it out with a dance? I mean, you know.
I'm gonna say it was the I think it was the scallops and probably the vegetables that were just so amazing.
But look at you move. Yeah, it, obviously. All right.
Do the ketchup to Jesse so I can get it.
Gramps, because he's not paying attention.
Oh, do it to Gramps.
Wait, you ready?
Yeah.
Hey, Gramps. With your veggies?
Did they have, now are they building onto the